Shout out everybody. This is a little quick short video about my little Ecoflow 2 Delta. There that little bad boy is running my mini split, about 900 watts. I got it set to 78 degrees on the heater. Got 290, 4, 5, 7 coming in on my solar panels. And it's just floating. It's kind of matching the difference. There you go, everybody. Anybody know where that is? Check it out. 78 degrees. There's my new cowboy hat. How you like that? Yeehaw. Alright, everybody, here's a little shout out. Have a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe. And there's a little Ecoflow 2 Delta. Peace out. Have a great day.